Let's prepare tomato spaghetti together, a dish that combines the simplicity of the ingredients with the pure essence of the Mediterranean in an embrace of flavors. Ingredients: 400 grams of spaghetti, 800 grams of canned peeled tomatoes or tomato puree, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a few leaves of fresh basil, salt, pepper, optional, chili pepper, optional, grated parmesan, optional. Bring a pot with plenty of salted water, about 1 liter of water and 10 grams of salt for every 100 grams of pasta, to a boil. Cook the spaghetti following the instructions on the package to achieve an al dente texture. In the meantime, peel the garlic cloves and prepare a few fresh basil leaves, washed and dried. In a large skillet, pour the extra virgin olive oil and heat it over medium heat. Add the garlic cloves and sauté them until they are golden, being careful not to burn them. Once the garlic is golden, add the peeled tomatoes or puree to the skillet. Lightly crush the tomatoes with a fork to break them up and allow them to release their juice. Let the sauce cook over medium-low heat for about 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Adjust the seasoning with salt, and if desired, add a pinch of pepper or chili pepper for a touch of spice. Drain the spaghetti, reserving a cup of the cooking water in case it is needed to adjust the sauce's consistency. Transfer the drained spaghetti directly to the skillet with the sauce and mix well to combine the flavors. If the sauce is too thick, add a bit of the cooking water to thin it slightly. Turn off the heat and add the basil leaves, torn by hand, stirring gently to distribute them evenly. Serve the spaghetti with tomato sauce immediately on plates, and, if desired, add a sprinkle of grated parmesan or a drizzle of raw extra virgin olive oil. Despite its simplicity, there is a great regional variety in this recipe, with some variations including the addition of spicy chili, capers, or olives. In any case, the key to a good plate of tomato spaghetti is using quality ingredients, particularly good extra virgin olive oil and ripe, flavorful tomatoes.